how to buy the Alchemist AI token. Now, to be able to do that, before we start, so this is not a financial advice, I am not a professional or economic expert. So before we start, or before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, make sure to take a look on the ALCH account. They have a big community, as you can see. Now, to be able to buy this token, now go and find it on the explainer. If you don't have an account in it, just go and make an account. Now, as you can see, you may see this lock icon. It means that the liquidity is locked by 94%. So this means that your investment is in safe place. Now, to be able to buy this token that under Solana network, is easy to buy it from Phantom Wallet. We will use the Phantom Wallet to buy this token. Now, copy the token address from here and go and open your Phantom Wallet. Now, after that, click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now, from here, just paste the token address, as you can see, to find the right token. Now, so you click on it. Now, from here, type how much you want to buy. And as you can see, this is how much you will receive of the ALCH token. Now, the provider, select one of these, for example, the Jupiter. And as you can see, after that, click on swap and they will redirect you to the provider or Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy the ALCH or the Alchemist AI token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.